Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Devinshal. I hope till here you are just enjoying my small HTML and CSS videos, and now like in the previous video I've telling you we have started the CSS series, and today video is about also CSS, and today we will be also making the project of CSS which will be really helpful for you. So don't miss any step on this video and just see the video from start to end so you can learn everything about CSS and everything about today's project. So today project is about we will be transforming a website into a printer friendly version. Like it means that we will be just making a website, means a normal website, not really big website, and we will be transforming that into a printer friendly version. Means we can also print that website from our PC or laptop in which we are making our website. So you can see how cool it is. Like we can print our website also which we are making. So it is really easy to make. Just you have to remember some of the codes which I am telling you, and this will be really helpful. So remember to see this video from start to end, and also just if you are enjoying and learning from this video, so hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and also share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn how to build these amazing projects with CSS. And I've also built some of the HTML CSS project, and you can check that out. I've also uploaded the some of the CSS projects, like previously I have uploaded the CSS tutorial, and I hope not the CSS tutorial, the CSS project of 10 minutes, and I hope you enjoy that tutorial because that was also containing the information related to CSS and related to HTML, because in HTML file we are just creating CSS codes, and that was really helpful, and I hope you understand that. So I hope you'll be enjoying this video also, and remember to just share this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, so subscribe, because if you subscribe it motivate me to make more videos like that and more videos for you in coming up future. So just I hope you will be understanding this video, and like I'm telling you, you have to see this video from start to end so you can understand everything related to this project. So now we will be starting with our project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building a website, then we will be just transforming that into a printer friendly version, and I will be telling you how to do that. Just first of all, we will be using our same text editor which we were using previously in our previous videos. So here I will be first of all closing this VS Code which I was just opened because I was recording my previous video, and now I will be opening my Sublime text editor because we were using that text editor to work with our CSS projects and with our HTML and CSS project. Now I will be closing these both files because I don't need that, and I will be creating two new files. One will be of HTML and one will be of CSS, but we will be only working with CSS, not with HTML. We will be writing some of the codes of HTML, but all the work will be with CSS, not with uh, all the work will be with HTML, not with CSS. So here I will be closing this file, and I will be only working with my index.html file, because here we are working with only CSS, and when we are working with only CSS, so we only have to make one file in which we can work with our CSS. So here I will be giving the name of my file which will be index.html, saving it on my desktop. Remember where I've also made many of the previous project, and just remember that your file should not be same with the same name, because if you save the same name file on desktop and you are having two files with the same name, so your one same name will be gone and your second same name from which you are saving will be come here, and they will be overtaking that. So remember to save with different name if you are having same name here, but I've deleted that, so I don't want to replace, and I want to replace because I have already worked with that index.html file and I don't needed that. So here I'll be pressing yes. You can see it is saved on my desktop. Here it is. Now I will be opening that file in my Opera browser so I can show you how it is looking. So you can see it is totally empty and not having everything and not having anything. Here you can see totally empty file, and now I will be doing it side by side so you can just see the things which I am doing on the left side, and the things we will be making it on the right side. So this is the code which we will be writing here. First of all, write starting tag of HTML. We have written the starting tag. Now you have to just create the title of your page which we are just writing. So title, I can just create any title. This is the index.html written. You can write any title here. So it's your choice what title do you choose or write. So here I will be writing the title like CSS project. So like this title I will be writing project. Save here. Now just you have to reload. So here when you reload that, you can see CSS project is just coming here, which is written on our title. Now when you're getting that, just you have to move to your body tag, and we will be just making a style tag. Like when we are working previously with our CSS project, which was of revamp an existing project, so we were using the style tag for writing CSS. So today also we will be using the style tag to write our CSS. Press enter, just remove this text or here this type which is written here. Now you have to just do one thing. Here you have to just move down, then you have to make this tag in which we will be putting background image. So here just go to Google, then you can just put here any background image you want to put. So here I will be putting the image of like scenery images. I can just put, and you can put any of the image like previously we have put in our project. So from here also you can put any image you want to put here. So this I will taking this image here, then I will be saving it on desktop. And remember to save your file there where you are saving your HTML file, means this file in which we are coding. So you have to save with the name of background2.jpg, but it is already with JPEG, so I don't want to write JPEG again. Now you can see our file has been saved. Here we have to just move, then you have to just style with our background images tag which we will be writing now. So you have to first of all write the background image which should be having URL, and the URL I want of my image should be background2.jpg because my image name was that. So because of that I am writing. Now your image name will be save here and reload here. You can see this is our background image, but it is not set, and we will be setting with the help of tags of background which we want to write. So you have to write first of all background attachment. So write here background attachment which should be fixed. So here I'll be writing fixed. Then you have to write background size which should be cover. Then you have to write background repeat. So here you have to write no repeat because we don't want our image should be repeat 2 times or 3 times. We want it should be repeated only 1 time. So here we will be just saving that by pressing Ctrl S, reload. You can see this is our image. Now we are getting, it is totally good looking image, and we have to just do one thing. I will be just putting our headings and things which we want to put. So here I will be moving, then I will be just going to my body tag here. Then you have to just put a h1 tag in which I will be writing best website for printing. Like I will be writing this, and here I will be writing save here, reload here. You can see this is we are getting here. Now you have to use br tag to take it more down. So here I will be writing br tag, copy this br tag from here and just paste that. Means just you have to paste that times you want your this heading should be down. Reload. You can see my heading is too much down now, and if you don't want it should be stick at the this sidebar, so we will be using padding to just remove that from this sidebar, and I will be telling you how to do. Copy this, then paste and paste, save, and just you have to reload here, and you can see still it is not good looking. Paste, save and reload. Okay, so we will be erasing two br tags from here, and I will be saving it again and reloading it again, and again to save and reload. And you can see now we are just getting our heading, and I want that my heading should be not stick at the sidebar, it should be having a space. So for getting a space you have to move here and write h1 tag. Now when you've written h1 tag, just write here padding which should be 20 pixel. Then you have to just give the font size here. You can put font size of like uh, 30 pixel I will be putting, and I will be changing its font family also because I don't want that. And I will be changing font family, not here, here I will be changing. So every font family should be changed in same which I want. So here I will be putting the font family of Open Sans. So put here Open Sans, comma sans serif. So here I will be putting that font family. Just remove this, save, reload. You can see this is the thing which we have just written, and this is too much small. I don't want that it should be too much small. I want it should be looking big. So for doing that you can give it 40 pixel, save and reload, and you can see it is now too much big like we want. Now here we will be putting a p tag to just give us a small paragraph here. So I will be writing p tag. Then you can just write lorem tag here, means lorem ipsum random tags which we are just getting, so we will be writing that. Just you have to do one thing, erase this, and then erase some of the like things which we want to erase from here. Press full stop, save and reload. You can see we are getting this thing also, and I will be putting same like you can say padding here, but I want that it should be aligned. So here I will be pressing br tag here. So here I will be now moving, then uh, here I will be doing br tag. So now I want to go to top, and if I scroll down, here it is. So here I will be putting BR tag. So now when you've done that, just put BR tag here, save here and reload. And if I show you by doing full screen, you can see it is moved down. Then here I will have to put BR tag. So here I will be moving. Then here I want to see where it is written, means the tag which I want to paste. So here it is. So here I'll be pressing BR tag, press enter, save, reload. And now you can see it is moved down again. Then here I will be pressing BR tag, which is the last one. So here I will be now doing this, and this is the, here we have to paste BR tag, press backspace, save and reload. And you can see now it is moved down. So here we can again put this. So here I want to put, so where it is, I want to move down, there it is. So here I will be now putting BR tag, BR tag, save, reload. And you can see it is moved down. Now here I will be giving some of the space, means padding of 20 pixel here also. So here I will be moving down, write P tag, then write padding 20 pixel. So here I will be saving this and reloading here, and you can see same 20 pixel padding we are getting here, and I will be changing its color to white. So here I will be writing white, save and reload. And you can see all the things are now perfect. Now our website has been made successfully. We have just make a simple website, and now we should do that, we should make it a printer friendly version. We have just make that, and we have to transform that into a printer friendly version. So for doing that, you have to press right click, you can press print here, and you can see now your website has been transformed into a printer friendly version. You can see it is getting all the text in printing machine, means it is getting all the text like when you will be printing your website. So it will be looking like CSS project will be written at the top, it is which is the title, then it is the thing which we have just built in our website. And like this you can just transform your website into a printer friendly version, and you can print by your printer, or you can go to any shop to print your website. So like that you can transform a website into a printer friendly version. And I hope you understand this video and enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please hit a like to this video. If you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also understand what is this coding, how to do that, and what is programming, and they can also understand these coding and programming languages which we'll be covering in future. So I will be meeting you next project or next video. So for today, good.